Hi, my people. Greetings from wherever you are watching from. I thank all of you who have supported me in this journey. I welcome you to come with me to Lexington in Massachusetts. As I'm stepping out to see how busy the roads are during this snow time. So please come with me as I'm taking you around. You will see from the roads that it's not business as usual due to the weather, but nonetheless, you can still see some people keep moving, but all the same, things are quite tight as the weather is teaching around. So please come with me. Let's tour this journey and experience something new as we keep moving on the road. Yes, my people, as you can see how the roads are really completely empty. It's what it is. I mean, it's just because of the weather, and that's why, there may not many people on the way, but you can only see the snow around. But it's not a bad experience also to see how the snow is colored everywhere. As you look at it, it's all white around the whole place. But nonetheless, we just have to continue showing you around, and then you keep comments, and then we keep trying to look for you whatever we can always show you at all times. So you're all most welcome once again as we are moving around. This is all part of Lexington, as you can see. Just come along with me, and then we keep moving. Let's go. Well, as you can see, it's been a journey. As you look on top of the roofs of all these houses, it's just covered with snow. Nothing else. I'm telling you, it's really fantastic, but at the same time, it's not easy. So look around and then you'll see that there's just snow everywhere. The road is all snowy, the roofs are all covered up, but that's what it is during such a weather. But let's keep moving around, and then we see how the trees are also being covered around. The snow is just everywhere. But let's keep moving as we see what next. Yes, remember as I told you before, you will be able to see one car at a time. It's due to the weather conditions. That's why you see all this. But the roads are always cleared up with the machines which keep clearing the road. That's why you see at least the road is a bit clear as you look at the truck passing by. Those are the trucks moving around. They keep clearing the road to make sure at least people can move from the other end to this end without getting problems while moving around, navigating within the place. And for that case, you must remember that your driveway or your walkway, you have to clear it by yourself in order for you to move out of your place. But there is a walkway which is always on the roadside. That one is always cleared. There is a machine which clears that. So that's why you see there's a walkway right on the side of the road, but it's always cleared up.